Hi, it's Joe Crump again. This next question I've got is from Clara Firestone. Clara says, I'd love to see information on how to find under-market deals in the Los Angeles area, as this is a tough city to work in. Let me stop right there. Everybody's got this opinion that there are certain cities that are tougher to work in than others. San Francisco, Los Angeles, down South Florida, Boston, Manhattan. All of these are tough markets. They're tough because they're expensive. And people new investors, you guys, are intimidated by high-priced properties. You think that, this is $1 million property or a $5 million property. It must be more difficult to do than a $30,000 property or a $100,000 property or $200,000 property. It's not. It's the same. It's the same structures. It's the same stuff. The only difference is that you're intimidated by dealing with sellers and buyers that are in that price range because you think that you can't afford it. You feel that nobody can afford it. So how can I possibly take a $500,000 property if I can't afford to make those $3,000 a month payments on it? Nobody could afford that. Well, a lot of people can afford $3,000 a month payments. There's a lot of people that have $500,000 properties, and they can buy these properties. Your biggest problem is that you're intimidated by those people. So start looking at them as deals only, numbers only, and stop worrying and stop being impressed by rich people or people that you see as rich, because they're not rich, and you're going to be in their place very soon if you follow through with the stuff that I'm teaching. So I think that we grow up all our lives deferring to people that have more money than we do, and in fact they're no better than you are. They've just gotten to the next level. They may have been given that money, they may have been born with a silver spoon in their mouth, or they may have worked their way into that money. And I personally think those people deserve more respect than the person who was born with it. But I'll tell you, even those people, they're just people. They're just people just like you. They have the same problems, the same things they have to deal with every day. They just live in a better environment, and they have more money to work with and have less pain in their lives as far as money goes. So look at them as people. Help them solve their problem, because a lot of the people that we're dealing with that have high-priced properties have problems too, and they have financial problems, and we can help them with those. So don't be intimidated by that. So that's the first part of that question. The second part is I'd also like to see information on investing in foreclosure properties, where to find them before the market does, how to structure the deal. Well, if you go out into the internet, there's all sorts of services that sell, $300, $500 a year, whatever it is, and they'll give you these foreclosure listings. And they say, we've got thousands of foreclosure listings. Well, if you buy into that and you look at those listings in there, most of them are junk. Most of them are old. Most of them have so much competition that you're never going to be able to get those people. The best way I've seen of going after foreclosures is by knocking on doors. And it's a horrible way to do business. It's effective, but it's no fun. At least it's no fun for me. I'd much rather send an email out, have them respond to me. Oh yeah, I'll take that deal. And the way you do that is by learning how to market effectively. You can use things as basic as these bandit signs out in the streets. You can use classified ads. You can use internet marketing the way that I do. You can use pay-per-click. You can use joint ventures. You can build your list, and you can sell to your list. There's so many ways to build it. This is the stuff that I teach in my push-button method program, the pushbuttonmethod.com. So you might want to look into that, different marketing techniques. And my whole investment strategy is based on marketing. I believe that if you understand marketing, you can succeed in any business. I don't care if you're washing cars, cleaning houses, or if you've got a multi-billion-dollar company. If you don't understand marketing, you're not making any money. Marketing is where it all comes down to marketing. Nothing happens until a sale is made. So learn how to do sales. Learn how to do marketing. Good luck.